Instruction video on how to use the International Lime Survey setup for colors monitoring winter losses. This video is about how to remove questions and sub-questions. Here you can see an activated questionnaire. It's a dummy questionnaire as well that we have made. And if we go to, let's say, the raw treatment, there might be some of the sub-questions that you do not want to have in here. Like I know in Denmark nobody is using amitraz, and therefore I would like to remove that. Further up there could be questions that you don't want to have, since we have optionals and essential questions. Like this one here, do you keep your bees in an area where varroa has still not been detected? This is a silly question for Denmark because everybody here has varroa. Let's go and log in for our questionnaire, Lime Survey again here. Let's find the dummy questionnaire. As you can see on the green arrow here, it means that it's activated. I open up the dummy questionnaire. I have to say that if you can change misspellings while the questionnaire is activated, but you cannot add questions or remove questions when your questionnaire is activated. So therefore you should always be very, very prepared on your questionnaire that it should be finished before you activate it. Here I will stop the survey. I will press to deactivate the survey. And then a backup of the answers that have been done is in this name here, but please be very careful when you deactivate a questionnaire. Have in mind, do I have answers that are very important for me? More or less the answers will disappear. They are in the backup, but so now you can see the green button for activate the survey. On the left side we have list questions. And then you could kind of scroll through it all and find the question. I like to go down here where you can see displayed, only 10 of them. I just asked to display all of the questions. And here you can see all of the questions. If you sometimes find it difficult to find questions, oops, I go there. I want to remove this question here. I kind of copy paste just the name of the question or the headline of the question. I go in here and I go to the search bottom. I put this one in and press enter. And there I have the question. And since the questionnaire is deactivated, I can very easily delete the question. And then that question is gone. So remember, be careful when you're pressing the delete button. Let's talk about sub-questions. Like here in the amitraz thing. Again, I just copy a few lines or a few words. I go back to my questionnaire. I go up in the search button. I put in here, and here I get the question. For changing misspellings, I just click the edit question. For changing sub-questions or deeper changes, I go to the questionnaire summary. And again on the top here you have different bottoms, and I want to edit the sub-questions. And here you can see all the sub-questions down in a long row. And let's say I want to remove the amitraz one. I just delete the sub-question bottom. So it's relatively easy to remove questions.